Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find the number of words exists in a given sentence. Okay, so before that you need to understand what is an array and what is array variable. So what is array means it is a set of elements, and array variable is a type of variable which enables you to store multiple values of same data type. Okay, for example, see here, employee names is a array variable store the same data type values, multiple same data type values like John Smith, Steve. So these are all the names, and you can't add any salary like in type of data in it, or any you can say float or boolean values in it. So when it is age, you can add only in type of data, and when it is employee salary, you can add only double type of data. So you can access these values using this index values. So index of 0 contains this value John, or similarly index of 3 contains this value Ankit. So with the help of these index numbers, you can access their values and you can write them. Okay, so but in our task, what I am going to do it, I am going to count on the number of words exist in this sentence. Okay, so go to our UiPath Studio, and here I am going to use assign activity, and I will store the sentence in it. So I will create a variable and I will name it as sentence. Okay, so now I will pass the value in this field, so within quotations, because it is a string type of data, and I will just copy the sentence from my document, Ctrl C, and within these quotations I will just paste the sentence here. So this is the sentence which I have given in the field. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I need to, so its variable type is string, so let it be. And what I am going to do is I am going to use one more assign activity. So in this I am going to use a split method to split the overall sentence. Okay, so first I will pass the variable name sentence, and I am going to use the split method. So this split method will split the given sentence into smaller parts and store that parts in array of strings. So what you need to pass the parameters to the split, which are, see, param array separator as character as string. It means param array means we need to give a separator, like I am going to give the separator space. Okay, so now wherever the space exists in this sentence, it will split that sentence with wherever this space exists. So let me show you in advanced editor. And it is a string, we need to convert this to character using C is nothing but character, and the return type of this split method is array of strings. Okay, so now click OK, and we need to change its variable type to, next I am going to create a variable and I will name it as after split. So I am going to change this after split variable data type to array of strings, and string t is nothing but type. And now I hope you could understand that this after split variable contains an array of strings. So let me use write line activity, and I will use the variable array variable name after split, and I will use property length to get the length of that string. It means it will show how many number of words exist in that strings. Okay, So this is the property in array, and I will convert this to string using toString, and because WriteLine activity displays only text. Okay, so that's it. I have assigned a sentence to this sentence string variable, and I have split the sentence using split method, and I have used separator as a space, and I have converted this string to character using letter C, and I have stored this array of strings to this after split array variable, and I have used that after split array variable dot length to find the length of that sentence. Okay, so let me run this process and see. So look at the output panel. The number of words exist in that sentence is 40. Okay, and if you want to check, you can also count these number of words manually. So like 1 2 3, so after every space it will split, the split method will split these words. Okay, so you can count manually. The number of words exists in this sentence is 40. So this is how to find the number of words exists in any sentence, or you can also find the words exist in an user given sentence, like you can give the sentence dynamically. So if you like the video, please do subscribe and like my video.